To become a Honda Master Technician, you have to have, there's 8 ASE tests that basically break a car down into like different components, different areas.
Hundreds of tests that you take online and at a training center.
As of right now, there's 384 modules that you have to do.
You get the experience right there at school. You have instructors watching over you, making sure you're doing everything correctly.
Then you'll have to go through all the diagnostic procedures, plus a little bit of your own experience to track down the problem.
A lot of dedication, a lot of persistency.
It's demanding and intense.
By the time we're said and done, I think I've probably done over 1,000, more than 1,000 tests.
It's a constant training session, so to speak. You're always learning new product and still trying to remember all the older lines as well.
Zimmer Honda has always been very supportive of our goals, making sure that we get the tools and the supplies needed to go take the test, to get to school.
Just the ongoing training that they've provided. They pay for the ASE tests, they pay for all your Honda schooling, they pay for the online test modules. You know, they want you to succeed.
They really push you to improve yourself on a daily basis and want to, you know, better yourself and the dealership.
Zimmer's the best place basically because of the people we have working here.
We have a very high emphasis on guest satisfaction, and I think everything relates around that.
I think the dedication from the employees and, you know, the time we have spent in our training show that we do care.
Years and years of experience for all the techs we have in the shop.
We have many technicians here, as well as myself, that have been here for 20, 30 plus years.
We have more master techs than any other dealership, and we provide outstanding customer service.
We do what we say, and every guy out in the shop is very dedicated to making the car safe.
The commitment to fixing it right the first time, and not only what they bring to the table. There's no other dealership where you can find the master technicians in Wisconsin that we have.
Being a good leader in the community and helping in the community, you know, those are, you know, great attributes that this company has.